What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be replacing our shift knob. Okay, it's really old, sticky, not really pleasing to touch. So I get one from the junkyard. You know, it was pretty cheap, less than 10 bucks. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is to put the car on park. So that's what I did. So the emergency brake is activated to make sure the car is not gonna go anywhere. All right. After that, you will put the car in neutral, right? Because you will be tearing things down. All right. So when it's like that, all these trim need to go. So we will need to remove all these trims to have access to, you know, everything under it. So let's get it. Okay, you don't have to remove everything here, but I always do it because I want a better view and a better access. So in previous video, you know, I'll show you how to remove all these trim panel and things like that. So that's something you can have access easily, and you can learn about it easily if you go back in my old video. So we remove all the trim, all the thing. So now what we need to do is to push this one under. This is how we're going to access the screw. You see, you have two screws in the back here, so we need to access it. So we're going to have to move this one some type of way, and then later we're going to push this one up. All right, so let's get it. So now, you know, I put this screw need to go. I disconnect everything, but this screw need to come out. All right, so screw this. So this is the most difficult part. So this one. It's free. It's free. Freedom. Need to disconnect. You see these things over there? Need to be disconnected. This one. So you will need a long screwdriver to disconnect it, right? Alright, so where's my screwdriver? It was somewhere. So you need to disconnect it. Or if you have your, you know, find a way to disconnect this one. Alright? Let's get it. So I disconnected, right? Now, what are we gonna do? Alright, that's it. Yeah. I need to remove this one. Transfer it. And just put this one back in that bit. It's time to put it back. So just have to, you know, put this one in this hole, you know, this one go. Just go like that, you know, go like this. So I need to manage to put this one in now. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I will need both of my hands to do that, but you see, I plug it, this one to go there and connect it and put the screw, and that's it. Period. Now I need to put the screw back. Make sure everything is nice and safe, you know. Alright. Alright. Make sure everything is nice and safe. Just pull it back. Okay, so after that, we need to push this one back here. Somewhere here. Alright, and connect it. Everything is back together. Alright, everything is back together. So I need to screw everything, you know. And that'll be it. I think we're good to go. So everything is connected back together. This need to go where it was, you know. Yeah. So let's put everything back together. Yeah, I believe this one goes somewhere like this, right? Alright. This one go like that. Alright, sorry, so this one is okay. You know. So that's it worked perfectly. Everything's okay. So yeah. Alright, so yeah. Move everything the way it's supposed to be. So this is how you replace your knob shift. Really pretty easy. Is a really 15-minute job if you know what you're doing. You know, everything is working perfectly. You see, when I press it, you see, you can feel it over there. Put it in, you know, sport or manual or whatever it is. When I press one, you know, it's working. It's working. 1, 2, 1, 2. So everything is working. Putting the brake, you know, just removing my brake. Everything worked perfectly. Everything worked perfectly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Peace.